Good morning, children. We are here to discuss few concepts in the first chapter, that is large numbers. Now, the objective. At the end of this video, you will understand what does it mean by digits, numbers and numerals. And also, you will be able to identify and read the place values. Before moving ahead, I would like to put some questions in front of you. First one, what is the smallest two-digit number? And we all know it is 10. And my next question, what is the largest two-digit number? It is 99. I hope you are very clear about this. What is the smallest two-digit number? That is 10. And the largest two-digit number is 99. If we check our questions, that is what is the smallest two-digit number and what is the largest two-digit number. Here two words are quite repeating, that is digit and number. Now then what is the difference between a digit and a number? What is the difference between a digit and a number? So what is a digit? A symbol that is used to make numerals. So a digit is a symbol that is used to make numerals. Let me give you an example for this. So 1 a digit, 7 a digit, 8 a digit. So if we read it like 178, then these digits make a numeral. So individual symbols like 1, 7, 8 we call digits, and this combination of calling it 178 is a numeral. So that is the difference between a digit and a numeral. I hope you are quite clear with digit and a numeral. Now, I am calling 178 as a numeral. Then what is a number? That means what exactly is the difference between a number and a numeral? Well, through some explanation and a small activity, I will show you the basic difference between a number and a numeral. So, I am taking the number as a idea and symbol. That means number I am going to take as an idea and the numeral as a symbol. Now look, first, my idea is to count the number of pens I am carrying with me. So number of pens. So the first idea is to count the number of pens I am carrying with me. I will show you. Look. So I am carrying 2 pens with me. How can I count this? So 1 and this is 2. So this idea of counting number of pens I want to express as a symbol, that is 2. Next, I want to do another activity, that I am carrying some ice cream sticks with me. I want to count the number of sticks which I am carrying. So number of sticks. Look, I will show you. So these are the sticks I am carrying. Let us see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my idea of counting number of sticks ended up saying 6. If I want to express this idea as a symbol, I will write it like 6. So now understand, idea of counting anything comes under number, and if that idea is expressed as a symbol like this, 2 or 6 or any digit or any number, we call it a numeral. So idea is going to be the number and that idea expressing as a symbol is going to be the numeral. But you have to keep in mind that both number and numeral stands for the same thing. That means in the coming classes and not only you but almost all the present day mathematicians are using only digits and numbers. So now let us take a quick summary on the points discussed. First, a digit. A digit is a symbol that makes a numeral. A digit is a symbol that makes a numeral. And a number is an idea of counting particular quantity. A number is an idea of counting particular quantity. And lastly, a numeral. A numeral is a symbol or name that stands for a number. A numeral is a symbol or a name that stands for a number. Now let us move into our next topic, that is place value chart. This is the topic which you have already learned in your 4th standard. So now in the 5th standard you will see some extension in the place value chart. So this is how the place value chart looks. This is the place value chart that is pointed to the Indian system of numbers. So it contains ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000s, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 crore and 10 crores. So in my next class, I will give you a detailed explanation on how this has to be used and how we have to make numbers using this place value chart. However, for the instance, check the example, a 9-digit number which is given there, that is 235721254. I will tell you how to read it. It is 23 crore 57 lakh 21,254. It is 23 crore 57 lakh 21,254. A detailed explanation on the place value chart will be given in the next class. Thank you.